Hi everyone, we are going to show you how to install UTD's mask strap. So first of all, you need to take the original rubber strap off and then match the upside down correctly, and then start from one side. Okay, so loop from inside out, and then load it back. Okay, load it back to the plastic drag line. Okay, do the same thing for the other side, inside out. Okay, allow it into the triangle line. So you will see the end of the webbing is to your front. Okay, and you can adjust that loose or tight, and here is fixable for you to use. Okay, and also you can cut it out if it's too long, and use the light to burn it. Okay, that's how we do for a strap.